The South African Reserve Bank has raised interest rates by a shocking 50 basis points, taking the lending rate to 11.25%. This is the 9th rate increase since the hiking cycle began in November 2021. Our business reporter Ntokozo Khumalo takes a look at how this is playing out in the property market.
Reserve Bank Governor Lesetja Kganyago says several domestic and global risks plaguing South Africa's economy saw the Monetary Policy Committee agreeing to hiking rates.
The Monetary Policy Committee decided to increase the repurchase rate by 50 basis points to 7.75% per year, with effect from the 31st of March 2023.
ABSA's Homeowners Index for the fourth quarter of 2022 showed a decline in confidence in the markets, expected to be worsened by the interest rate hike.
What we've seen is that the buying sentiment has declined significantly, whilst the selling sentiment has increased. Overall, the sentiment index has declined 3 percentage points, which indicates, to your point, that there's declining confidence in the market around property ownership.
Nkapai says while the demand for property has dipped, the supply is expected to see an increase as more homeowners look to sell due to increasing repayment installments.
For a consumer that bought property when interest rates were low, let's say at prime lending rate of 7%, today, you and I, at 10.75, over a 20-year term, the installment has shifted by 2,400. 2,400. What that simply means is that affordability reduces, consumer feels the pressure.
A real estate agent with Property Legit says low-income earners should consider getting into the market and apply for available government subsidies to reduce costs.
They can apply for subsidies and they can actually purchase from earners of 6,000 Rand. You can actually be purchasing a house of, say, around 450,000 Rand.
He adds that after this interest rate hike, he expects the markets to normalize.
Actually come to a point whereby it stabilizes. I would like to put it that way. I'm not saying it's going to go down to a point whereby everyone can jump into it, but then it can come to a point whereby most of middle class earners can actually be seen coming back into the market.
Industry experts say as long as inflation remains high amid low economic growth, real property price growth will remain marginal. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Johannesburg.